Hey guys, this is Esteban here at Flexpipe headquarters, and today we're going to talk about flat pipe. We have a couple examples we want to show you, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Again, this is the flat pipe FP96BK. Let's begin. So the first example which we want to show you with the flat pipe is to transition from the roller track to the flat pipe in order to be able to present bins or boxes or whatever you may want to do. Again, we're using the HJMS pipe mount in the back, which are the starters, to be able to transition smoothly from the track. And then we're using the HJDS in the front to be able to have that drop stop. And again, we're going to be using the drop stops along with the horizontal pipe here to be able to break our bin and to be able to present it. Okay, so that's one way to use it. Again, is to transition from roller tracks. The flat pipe here works kind of like a brake, and it's going to essentially slow down your bin a little bit just so that it doesn't end up throwing your parts or pieces all over the place. Again, it doesn't come in fast. It's going to essentially slow it down to the point where it ends up to the drop stops here. So that's example one, and then example two is going to be using it as a side guide. So let's have a look at that real quick. All right, so the second example that we're going to be using the flat pipe for is as a side guide. Okay, so if we look at it, we can see that we're using the HJ7A connector, which has an open end on one side, and that is what is allowing us to install this pipe without interfering with the flat section of the pipe. Okay, so if you have a longer structure, think about adding more HJ7As along the way to be able to hold this the length of your structure. Okay. All right, so those are a couple ways that we use the flat pipe. We'd love to see what you're using it for. Again, check the links below to find all of the information that's available at flexpipeinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time.